Children, today we are going to learn the lesson safety habits. Okay, first of all, I will give you a glimpse of this lesson, that means what the lesson is about. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn the traffic rules, where to play and where we should not play, and also what kind of things that we should while playing, and what are the objects that we are not recommended to touch. Okay, how to cross the road, how to help others. So these are the kind of safety rules we should follow. Okay, so we will learn about the safety rules and safety habits in this lesson. Okay children, first of all, tell me, what is safety? Safety means we should not get into the danger, we should be safe. Okay, now, one day while taking a stroll in the garden, Ranveer and Sangeeta saw two girls running on the street. They were trying to catch a butterfly. Sangeeta gleefully wanted to join them, but Ranveer stopped her. Why? See children, here Sangeeta also wanted to join with the girls who are playing on the road. Okay, these two girls are running on the road. Why they are running on the road? To catch a butterfly. So Sangeeta also wanted to join them, but Ranveer said, no, you should not go. Because why? Because tell me the reason, children. Because running on the streets can be extremely dangerous, as many vehicles move on the road and one can get hit by them. So if you are running on the roads, what will happen? The opposite person who is traveling, who is coming towards you on a vehicle, they will get confused. Maybe you will meet with an accident. So you should not run on a road. Next, in this page we are going to learn how to keep ourselves away from danger. Okay, for keeping away us from danger, we must follow the rules. Okay, this rule will help us to keep ourselves safety. Okay, safe, they will keep us safe. Okay, we should take care of ourselves and our friends and elders, everyone, whoever with you. If possible, we should take care of them also along with us. Where? At home, schools. Okay, wherever you are going on the roads, we should be take care of ourselves. Okay, now Sangeeta asking me to tell me some of the safety rules, so I will tell you the safety rules. Obey the traffic rules, that means stop, walk, will come. Stop means we should stop, and if a green light with walk is there, we can walk. Next, we should always walk on a footpath. While crossing the road, we must watch the traffic lights carefully, and we should use the zebra crossing only. At zebra crossing only you have to cross the road. Next, coming to traveling in a bus, when you are traveling in a bus, you should not get into the bus or get out of the bus while it is moving. Okay, and you should always stand in a queue at the bus stop. We should not go here and there. Okay, we should not push others. Next, you should not keep your head, hands, everything from the windows, because the vehicles may hit you. So you should not lean out of the window of a bus. Next, playing. While playing, we should not play on the road. Okay, we should never play on the road, and we should not play on a open terrace, because you may fall from the top. So we should not play on an open terrace. You should go there with the elders. If your parents are not there, you should not go to the terrace. Okay, next, we have to play in the ground or a park only. Don't play on the roads. While playing, we should not fight with our friends. Next, here think tank is there, children. You should always sit on the center to your seat if you are traveling in a cycle rickshaw. So if you are traveling in a cycle rickshaw, I think some of you know, in villages you can see the cycle rickshaw. While traveling in a cycle rickshaw, you should always sit in the center. Why? Because if you sit to the corners, there will not be balance and you may fall. So always sit in the middle of the rickshaw. Next, what are the steps? What are the safety rules that we have to take at home? Means you should not play with the sharper things. What are the sharper things? Knives, blades, needles, etc. Okay, And you should not touch the electrical points of wires, and don't touch toasters, heaters, ovens, electrical cookers and everything. You should not touch. Okay, next, you should not play with the matchsticks and fire. You should not play with the matchsticks and fire. Do not open the door to the strangers. If strangers come to your house, you should not open the door. You must call your parents. Okay, next, while swimming, what are the steps you have to take means, ask an adult person to be with you when you swim. Okay, never go alone for swimming. There must be an instructor always. You should be there. You should go to the swimming pool when there is an instructor. Okay, don't go alone to the swimming pool. And you have to use a rubber tube. If you are a beginner, you don't know how to swim. If you are learning, then you have to use a rubber tube. I think you understood the lesson well. So complete page number 47, children. That is your homework for today. Hope you understood the lesson well. Thank you.